Hey team, I wanted to show you how to get your own personalized share link. It's super simple. We're just going to sign in here on the website. And this will bring you into your personalized, what we call our virtual office. You're going to come down here on the left to member resources, and then come all the way down to the link builder. And it automatically has your member number filled into the sponsor ID and enroller ID. And then you're just going to copy and paste this. Well, you'll copy it, and then you can paste it into a text message, a Facebook Messenger, Instagram message, however you interact with people, wherever you want to share it. So I like to keep this in the notes on my phone, and then I have that quick and easy access to paste it wherever I need it. So it's that simple. Hope that was helpful, and I'm excited about this sharing challenge for May.